Elevenlabs vs. Clipchamp vs. Speechify, a battle of text-to-speech and video creation tools. The rise of digital content creation has paved the way for tools that help users produce high-quality voiceovers, video edits, and text-to-speech content. We will explore the three top platforms in the text-to-speech and video editing space, each offering distinct advantages depending on your content needs. In this detailed comparison, we'll break down the pricing, features, pros, and cons of these tools to help you decide which one is the best fit for your creative projects. The importance of text-to-speech and video editing tools. In today's digital landscape, creators, businesses, and marketers need efficient tools to produce professional audio and video content. Whether you're creating a video presentation, a podcast, or an audiobook, text-to-speech tools simplify the voiceover process by converting written text into high-quality spoken audio. Additionally, video editing platforms allow users to polish their visual content for social media, marketing, and entertainment purposes. In this comparison, we'll look at the three platforms that cater to different aspects of content creation, from generating lifelike speech to video editing and beyond. Price comparison. Pricing is a critical consideration for users when choosing a text-to-speech or video editing tool, especially for those with regular or large-scale content needs. Here's how the pricing models are of the platforms. Elevenlabs is primarily focused on text-to-speech technology with a range of plans for different usage levels. Free plan offers limited usage with 10,000 characters per month and basic voice generation. Starter plan, priced at $5 per month. This plan offers 30,000 characters per month and access to more customizable voice options. Professional plan, at $22 per month, users get 100,000 characters per month, advanced voice cloning features, and commercial rights. Enterprise plan, custom pricing for larger organizations that need unlimited usage, enhanced support, and advanced voice control. Elevenlabs offers scalable plans depending on the user's needs with affordable entry-level pricing for smaller projects. Clipchamp, a video editing platform with integrated text-to-speech features, offers both free and paid plans. Free plan. Clipchamp's free plan includes basic video editing tools, access to stock audio and video, and 480p export quality. It also includes limited access to text-to-speech functionality. Creator plan, priced at $11.99 per month. This plan includes unlimited audio and video exports, 720p resolution, and access to premium media. Business plan, for $19.99 per month, users get 1080p video export, advanced text-to-speech, and premium editing features. Clipchamp is well suited for creators who need video editing tools with integrated audio solutions, including text-to-speech functionality. Speechify is a text-to-speech platform designed to convert documents, web pages, and books into spoken audio. Free plan, the free version offers limited voices and functionality, including the ability to read PDFs and web pages with basic voices. Premium plan, at $11.99 per month, this plan offers access to higher quality voices, more languages, and unlimited usage. Audiobook plan, for $19.99 per month, users can unlock premium audio book voices and additional content consumption options. Speechify focuses heavily on accessibility, catering to students, professionals, and audio book enthusiasts who need high-quality text-to-speech conversion for large volumes of content. Features and benefits. Each of these platforms provides a unique feature set tailored to specific content needs. Let's explore the capabilities of them in detail. Elevenlabs excels in producing hyper-realistic voices using AI-driven text-to-speech technology. AI voice cloning. Elevenlabs offers advanced voice cloning features that allow users to create custom voice models based on samples provided. This feature is perfect for personalized voiceovers. Multi-language support. Elevenlabs supports a growing number of languages, making it ideal for global audiences. Voice customization. Users can tweak aspects like pitch, speed, and emotion to make the generated speech sound more natural and expressive. Lifelike speech. Synthesis. The platform's AI is designed to generate highly realistic speech that closely mimics human speech patterns, pauses, and intonations. Elevenlabs. Pros: advanced voice cloning capabilities for custom voiceovers, extremely lifelike text-to-speech output with customizable emotions, affordable pricing plans for small to medium-sized projects, supports multiple languages and voices for international use. Elevenlabs. Cons: the free plan offers limited usage. Voice cloning requires higher tier plans. Less focus on video integration compared to Clipchamp. Clipchamp is a comprehensive video editing tool that includes text-to-speech functionality, integrated text-to-speech. Clipchamp allows users to convert written text into speech directly within the video editor, making it easy to add voiceovers to videos without needing a separate platform. Drag and drop editing. The platform offers a simple drag and drop interface for editing videos, adding text and including transitions. Stock media library. Clipchamp provides access to a large library of stock video, audio, and images, which can be incorporated into your projects. Customizable speech. Users can adjust the tone, speed, and pitch of the generated speech to fit the mood of their video content. High-quality exports. Depending on the plan, users can export videos in up to 1080p resolution, making Clipchamp suitable for professional video production. Clipchamp Pros. Integrated text-to-speech directly into the video editing workflow. Wide range of editing tools and stock media for video creation. Simple interface for beginners and professionals alike. Affordable plans with access to premium media assets. Clipchamp Cons. Free plan limits. Video export quality to 480p. Advanced editing features and higher quality exports require paid plans. Not as advanced in text-to-speech customization as Elevenlabs. Speechify is designed primarily as a text-to-speech tool for reading digital content aloud. High-quality voices. Speechify offers a range of voices, including celebrity and premium voices that sound incredibly natural. Multi-platform support. Speechify works across web browsers, iOS, and Android, allowing users to convert text into speech on any device. Language support. The platform supports over 30 languages, making it accessible to a global audience. Accessibility focus. Speechify is highly regarded for its focus on making reading accessible to users with dyslexia, ADHD, or other reading challenges. Document and web page reading. Users can upload PDFs, Word documents, or input web pages, and Speechify will convert them into spoken audio. Speechify Pros. Excellent for users who need to consume large amounts of text through audio. High-quality voices with customizable speed and tone. Accessibility focused, catering to users with reading difficulties, works on multiple platforms, including mobile and desktop. Speechify Cons. Premium features and voices are locked behind the paid plan. No video editing capabilities, unlike Clipchamp. Lacks advanced voice customization features found in Elevenlabs. Performance and output quality. When it comes to the output quality of text-to-speech voices and video content, performance is key. Elevenlabs, known for producing some of the most realistic AI-generated voices, Elevenlabs excels in providing natural-sounding voiceovers. The platform's AI voice cloning is among the most advanced in the industry, making it ideal for creators who need lifelike voiceovers for narration or podcasting. Clipchamp. While primarily a video editor, Clipchamp's text-to-speech functionality provides solid output quality. It's ideal for users who want to quickly add voiceovers to videos without leaving the editing environment. However, the voice options are less advanced compared to Elevenlabs and Speechify. Speechify offers high-quality voices with a focus on accessibility. While not as advanced in customization as Elevenlabs, the platform provides an excellent balance of natural voice quality and ease of use, particularly for users who need to listen to long documents or web pages. Usability and user experience. Each platform is tailored to different user bases, and ease of use is an important factor when choosing a tool. Elevenlabs, designed for content creators who need customizable voiceovers. Elevenlabs provides a straightforward, easy-to-navigate interface with advanced options for voice cloning and speech customization. Clipchamp, as a video editing tool with integrated text-to-speech, Clipchamp has a user-friendly drag-and-drop interface that's perfect for beginners and experienced video editors alike. It's an all-in-one tool for those looking to combine video creation with voiceover features. Speechify, focused on accessibility and ease of use, Speechify provides a clean and simple interface that makes it easy to upload text or documents and convert them to speech with minimal setup. Conclusion: which tool is right for you? Choosing between them depends on your specific content creation needs. Elevenlabs is ideal for users who require high-quality, realistic voiceovers with advanced customization. If you're creating podcasts, audiobooks, or need detailed voice cloning, Elevenlabs offers the best lifelike speech synthesis. Clipchamp is perfect for creators who want an all-in-one video editing tool with built-in text-to-speech. If your main focus is video content creation and you want the ability to add voiceovers quickly, Clipchamp is the go-to option. Speechify is a great choice for users looking for accessibility solutions like reading digital content aloud. If you need a simple cross-platform tool for converting text to audio, especially for educational or personal use, Speechify is the best fit. All three platforms offer excellent tools, but understanding your specific needs will guide you toward the right solution for your projects.